Hi guys, today we're going to be learning how to do run animation in different types of ways. I hope you're starting to so there's some basic to do with this, right? And the first one is the straightforward way, and the second one with a perspective, and it's very easy. All you just have to do is just flip a clip on, and let's begin. First, I already start drawing, and yeah, I'm ready to put those things together. I also need basic shapes so that I can be able to make it much better. Yeah, basic shapes really helps in my way. So when you learn how to draw, make sure you learn how to draw it. If you learn how to draw for one day, you're not actually doing anything yet. Got that? Okay. We need to learn how to make shapes move. Yeah, shape movement is very hard. It's like my one too. But once you're pro, you can be able to get it. As I'm using this perspective running, I'm using a very good running with different shapes. Circle for head, then body goes with cube, so I can be able to angulate the perfect brain, the perfect body. Hand goes with cylinder, and other stuff like that. You'll be able to understand, right? So, and I also use a lot of perspective. As you can see, the guy is over there in his perspective form. Yeah. So I keep drawing, and I won't get smoother every second. Sorry that everything is in clips. I don't animate straight at once because of spending so much jobs and house chores, and you know. So as I keep drawing, don't worry, at this second part I'm going to be teaching you how to draw straight. And also I'm not going to be doing some coloring and line art because I don't really like doing it. But if you want coloring and line art, I can also help you with that one day. Yeah. Animating is not that hard. So, and you also need to learn how to draw really well, because if you don't know how to draw, then you're not actually doing anything yet. Yeah, so keep walking. And as for me to do this, I need to make the entire shapes be as 3D as possible, so that it won't have any little problems. It's not really that hard, just you have to be really cautious of what you do. I don't really like to put my voice too much in my animations or tutorials, but please, I hope you understand. And also, I've been trying the new flip clip brushes, and I think I'll explain everything to you. Let's say if you guys be able to give me up to 200 subs, yeah, thank you very much. I'm gonna be working on a lot of things today, so I'm just gonna leave you to it. And now I do the animation of somebody moving close to another, so that you guys can be able to get really good to with animation. And it doesn't take long, don't worry, I'm gonna do it as fast as I can. Okay, so let's continue. I'm gonna be doing it so that you guys can be able to understand and you guys can be able to learn really well. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, I get to join this character in a fighting blue it's kind of hard, so I just do it in a quick sketch, but make sure you use basic shapes, it's really helpful. Okay, anything else? Not really. Okay, so I'll begin drawing very soon. Join the real running animation, so please stand by. Oh, and also please continue your hard work. It's really interesting, and animation is not that hard. Okay, and also you need a 3 pixel brush and color of any size for your pen, or and you can either choose to use pencil or pencil depending. It's actually depending on you. Then after, you can be able to go to the next layer and draw your real animation, your line work and all those stuff. But I'm not gonna be doing line out here because I don't see the time within my hands. If I get 200 subs, then I'll start thinking about line art. But now, oh sorry, no line art. Subscribe if you want me to teach how to do line art, shading, and many other type of things. My animation is growing. I'm not yet a professional that much, but I'm sure you guys will love me. Thank you for being with me. And also, sorry, I'm not that much of a song person. The last time I did a tutorial with song, YouTube have to cancel my video and say it was a copyright because I was doing someone else's song. Seriously? Well, now I can't use song. Even the song I'm using, I'm going to lower the volume so that it can be able to not cause any copyright, because if it causes copyright this time, I'm not sure, maybe I can be able to do another video for you guys. Sorry. And please subscribe. And now I'm going to be doing the movement of the character and making it more believable. And I'm also going to be, I won't be drawing it straight ahead like that, because number one, I need to make sure it has this 3D movement. The way you're seeing me drawing the movements of the body and everything right now, it might be a little stiff to you guys, but when I'm done with the line art, don't worry, it won't look stiff anymore, because I worked so hard on this animation, and it's not really that hard for you guys, because you guys need a lot of, calming down to do. And also, you can be able to try some small animation tips, like don't color outside the line, stuff like that. Yeah, I took those tips seriously, and right now see where it caught me. And also, if you guys are angry about the green background, or you guys want to know how to do it, if you're angry, I'm sorry, but I usually color my background so that I can be able to make a good animation. If you want to learn how to do it, just go back to your project setting, which is at the menu, the first bar, the project setting. Then after you will see the project setting, just look and you will see a fill color. Then click it and you'll be able to put any color you want. Then after, you can be able to make a good animation out of it. Then you can be able to draw it on your phone and do it good work, impressive work. Do anything, because animation has no limits. It depends on your creation and your imagination. Man, my imagination is very high. In different high places, believe me. My imagination can be able to take you out of this universe. Yeah, like how they discovered that the asteroid that destroyed the dinosaur also have octopus eggs. Okay, but it's still, you can do anything in animation. For example, Saitama versus Goku, Flash versus somebody. Then you can be able to do this type of running, then add some lightnings and go on with your flow. And this animation took me a long time. Thanks if you subscribe and like Then comment what you want me to teach you next. If you don't, then I'll be too disturbed by other things that I won't remember you guys. So please help me so much. If you do, God bless you. And now for a quick flash of teleport and just like that I'm through with my animation. Yep, I don't waste time on so if they do copyright about my music that my brother needs, please help me subscribe so that you can be able to help me get subscribers. I'm tired of all this copyright and I can't be talking for exactly 15 minutes, man. Am I a robot? Thank you very much if you subscribe. My animation is not that easy. I feel like I'm going to try other ways to, subscribe or watch my videos. I can't be talking. Or if you suggest any sound editor, sound maker, beat maker, or anything, please, if you suggest anything, just write it down in the comment. If you want me to teach you any other thing, write it down in the comment. And check my descriptions if you want to also follow me in other different types of page. And if you want more tutorials, you can check me out on WhatsApp. I'm not going to drop my phone numbers, but if you drop your phone number on the comments, then I'll be open to drop my own phone number. So, if you're with me or are you against me, it depends on you. And also, I like to do my animation in a really weird way, so I'm not like others who would love to draw, and straightforward drawing. I have a different method for my anatomies. The way I just did right now is not even my real method. My real method is using other things. That's clobbering the lines, just making a human. Then that's for the first layer, then the second layer, just clobbering lines, but this one is a little bit better. That's how I normally animate. But now I usually do good animation for my tutorials. Thank you very much.